5 hours to go to landing. Yeah, this is my face. We are gonna have one more service, which will be breakfast, and then after breakfast, then we are going to land. I'm so excited to land.
It's for certain, summer's outside, that's why we're dancing. Look at what we lost, baby. Yeah. Somewhere else, don't wanna be nowhere else. But I got it all right here. That's my obsession.
I am in Sydney. We finally arrived in the hotel, and I'm gonna shower and then take a nap, and then at 1 p.m. myself and the other crew, we are going to do a little bit of exploring, maybe going to a zoo and an aquarium, and then the opera house. The weather is a little bit gloomy, as you can see outside, but we're still gonna make the most of it, and I'm so excited to take you guys along. I was left behind by the other crew. They've already gone to the zoo, so I'm gonna go and join them at the zoo. I just need to get my physical card just to be safe in case my phone might die.
Always feels brand new. There ain't nothing back to now. Maybe something back to now.
I'm gonna try to film with my DJI as well, and we'll see. He overslept, my other colleague, so I'm just waiting for him to come. But I did get myself some little, just a small tray of sushi, just to have something in my stomach. And
I don't fall in love with your taste. Never get enough of your fragrance. If it's a slow thing, no thanks. Unless it's a dips and slow dance. Cause I've been holding it down. So now that you're here, you gotta stay with me. Stay with me. Now I got you all to myself. Why you gotta stay with me? Stay with me. I can't imagine you so far now. Like I said, you're the soundtrack.
we're trying to locate our other crew and see where they are, because they're here somewhere. We just have to find them, and then yeah.
Bring me back in focus, but London summer's bandit. You sure as hell to find me around.
It was like, what? Because the guy was coming straight to him. Creepy looking birds.
Always feels brand new. There ain't nothing better now. I've been sitting on your touch. All I wanna do, all I wanna do, go baby, go baby. All I wanna do, all I wanna do, go baby, go baby. All I wanna do, all I wanna do, go baby. Close it, all I wanna do, something better now.
It is the day before Christmas, and I am heading out to do some shopping. I'm heading out to do some shopping. Hi. Thank you. It is the day before Christmas, and I'm gonna be alone for Christmas technically, and my friend Patrick, he's gonna be alone. You'll see him in my other vlog. We're friends and his crew, and he's gonna be alone, but he's flying tomorrow, so he couldn't go home for Christmas. And so well, we decided that we're gonna do something together, just kind of go together. So now we're going to the mall because we have some errands to run. I have some stuff I have to do, and I'm buying myself a Christmas gift from the mall. And then after that, we're gonna get some nice massages together, a cute couples massage, and then we're gonna grab some dinner. Really, that's all we can do. That's all we have, I guess, in mind. I tried curling this hair away from my face. Yeah, it didn't work. But yeah, excited. He doesn't want to hear nothing about credit cards anymore. Who's credit card?
Hello guys, Titi just called me a phone.
It's giving blesser vibes. It's giving, huh? You can if you want. It's giving blesser.
Thank you
Yeah,
very much.
I don't know why it's so.
Thank you very much for your kindness. I really appreciate it.
You're my best friend, and I wanted to show you appreciation. You know?
That's kind of appreciation. No, you said it is for me. And then don't.
Let me give you your money. Okay. So now, Patrick and we've got how long?
45 minutes.
45?
1 hour.
You need time. He
Why I
says he's
need
not
time?
good at giving gifts, so he needs some time to concentrate. You know what I mean? So we're gonna separate, and then we're gonna buy gifts for one another. We've got a set budget, and then we're gonna shop some gifts for one another. And then later on, after the dinner, do you want to open the gifts at the dinner?
Yeah, we can.
And then later on, we're gonna have a nice cutie dinner, and then we're gonna open our gifts. So
Bye.
the time starts now.
Wish me luck because she's complicated.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Chocolate. I've got some chocolate.
Christmas, make an exception.
After dark, Bath and Body Works. Smell man.
I love this candle. It's my favorite candle.
Oh wow, it's white socks. You know, I just come from where? I just come from Washington. No, yeah, Washington. I bought at 16.
Really?
White socks. I bought this. Oh, the
I saw you looking at it in that other store.
Thank you. Thank you.
How wonders.
Belgium, because I'm from Belgium.
He's Belgian, yes.
You
Clock
need the
that.
Belgium chocolate.
We got each other the same thing, the same candle. No, but this candle is goated, honey.
But I hope you will like it.
Oh, these are gorgeous. Literally, I was telling you about the diamond studded earrings.
Yeah. I was searching.
Stunning. This is a gift, a Christmas gift to myself. So I'm so happy, and now we're having dinner.
Please.
So I feel like I have a lot to do today. I've got to get my hair done. I've got to get my nails done because this is atrocious. This is crazy, honey. And then I need to pick up my uniform from the uniform shop, and then I have a flight later on tonight, so there's that as well.
My neighbors look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she's too scared. My opus feel like but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, baby. In the meantime,
Just finished at the hair salon. This is what the hair is giving. I didn't have time for them to straighten it for me, so I said I'm just gonna do it at home. But I am absolutely in love. I love it. I'm actually on my way to get my uniform and then get ready for my flight. Yeah, I just got bored of filming and my camera died, so yeah. We're about to take off. I don't know if you can see. No, I'm showing you. I was showing the window so you can see. That's my boyfriend. Oh, hi. So we're about to take off, and yeah. I love you. I'll text you when I arrive in Moscow, Russia. So, can you please show the seatbelt door lock?
If I open it now, we're gonna fall down. Hold yourself.
This is insane. This is the only thing that's keeping us from falling out. This is me. My skin is super oily because I don't know why it does that after the flights, but this is me. This is the room. I've got 2 little beds. And this is the bathroom. Oh yes, a bathtub and a shower. Oh, how amazing! And record in I don't think I can't see where you can on the back. Yeah. I'm gonna get one of these. Yeah. Is that him? I'm recording.
Long time since I feel you in my sheets, my baby.
It's a video. Oh. blah blah. Blah blah blah. Blah blah bar. Something. Having some dinner. And then I have a flight later on, so I'm not very excited about that. Introduce yourself. Who are you? Yeah, this is Sophie. She's so cute. So we're gonna see.